Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Knowledge. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Yes, we're talking about how to create a monthly budget. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just looking to manage your money better, this guide is for you. In this video, we have 8 important sections. Section 1, why budgeting is important. Section 2, gather your financial information. Section 3, list your income. Section 4, track your expenses. Section 5, set financial goals. Section 6, create your budget. Section 7, monitor and adjust your budget. Section 8, tips for successful budgeting. Let's start from Section 1, why budgeting is important. First, let's talk about why budgeting is important. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means. It also allows you to plan for future expenses and save for big goals like vacations, a new car, or even retirement. Section 2, gather your financial information. Step 1 in creating a budget is to gather all your financial information. This includes your income sources, bank statements, bills, and any other financial documents. You'll need this information to get an accurate picture of your finances. Section 3, list your income. Next, list all your sources of income. This could be your salary, freelance work, side gigs, or any other money you receive regularly. Make sure to list the net amount, which is what you take home after taxes and deductions. Section 4, track your expenses. Now it's time to track your expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Don't forget to include occasional expenses like annual subscriptions or car maintenance. Section 5, set financial goals. Setting financial goals is a key part of budgeting. Your goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like buying a house. Having clear goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Section 6, create your budget. Now, create your budget by allocating your income to cover your expenses and goals. Start with your fixed expenses, then allocate money for your variable expenses. Make sure to leave room for savings and unexpected costs. Section 7, monitor and adjust your budget. Your budget isn't set in stone. Monitor your spending throughout the month and adjust as necessary. If you overspend in one category, try to cut back in another. The key is to stay flexible and make adjustments as needed. Section 8, tips for successful budgeting. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Use budgeting apps to track your expenses. Set realistic spending limits. Review your budget regularly. Stay disciplined, but also be kind to yourself if you make mistakes. And that's it. Creating a monthly budget may seem daunting at first, but it's a powerful tool to take control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Financial Knowledge for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting. Bye for now. See you in the next video.